Want to use financial apps that connect to your Schwab account but worried about security? If linking through Plaid makes you nervous, you're not alone. Today, we're connecting Schwab to external apps safely. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Many financial apps use Plaid to securely connect to your bank and investment accounts for data aggregation and transfers. Step 1. Understand the authorization. When an app asks to connect to Schwab via Plaid, you'll be redirected to a secure Schwab login page. You're logging into Schwab's system, not giving your credentials to the third party. Step 2. Review permissions carefully. After logging in, you'll see what data the app wants to access and for how long. Only approve connections to reputable apps, and regularly review connected apps in your Schwab settings. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Use Schwab's own app first before third-party tools. Before connecting to external apps, see if Schwab's own platforms, like Street Smart Edge or their mobile app, meet your needs. This keeps everything within Schwab's secure ecosystem. So, just like that, you can safely integrate with the tools you need. Being selective about app connections goes a long way in protecting your financial data. Now I'm curious, what financial apps do you find most useful to connect with your investment accounts? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.